Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of gut health and the role prebiotic foods play in maintaining a happy gut. So, grab a seat and get ready to nourish your body from the inside out. First things first, what exactly is gut health? Well, it's the balance of microorganisms that reside in our digestive tract, influencing everything from digestion to immune function and even mood. Imagine your gut as a garden, and prebiotic foods as the fertilizer that helps those beneficial microbes thrive. So, what are prebiotic foods? Prebiotic foods are rich in certain types of fibers called oligosaccharides, which are carbohydrates that our bodies cannot digest. Instead of being broken down and absorbed in the small intestine like other nutrients, these fibers pass through to the colon mostly intact. Once in the colon, they become the perfect food source for the beneficial bacteria that reside there. Fermenting these indigestible fibers is one of the main functions of these probiotics, or good bacteria. Short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, such butyrate, acetate, and propionate, are produced during this fermentation process and serve a number of vital bodily purposes. First off, by giving colon lining cells a source of energy, SCFAs support a healthy intestinal barrier and lower inflammation. They also enhance nutrition absorption, control immunological responses, and even affect metabolism and hunger. A word of caution before making significant changes to your diet: it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Now, let's talk about some specific prebiotic foods and their benefits. Garlic and onions. These aromatic vegetables contain fructooligosaccharides, FOS, which stimulate the growth of beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria in the gut. They also have antimicrobial properties, helping to keep harmful bacteria in check. Bananas. Rich in a type of prebiotic fiber called inulin, bananas can help promote the growth of beneficial bacteria like lactobacilli. They're also a good source of potassium and other nutrients. Oats. Oats are packed with beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. They're also a great source of complex carbohydrates, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Asparagus. This green vegetable is high in inulin, making it an excellent prebiotic food. Asparagus also provides vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting overall health. Now, let's get practical. How can we easily incorporate prebiotic foods into our daily meals? One delicious way is to start your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with sliced bananas and a sprinkle of flax seeds. Not only is it tasty, but it's also a gut-friendly powerhouse. Another idea is to whip up a flavorful stir-fry with plenty of garlic, onions, and colorful veggies. Not only will your taste buds thank you, but so will your gut microbes. Hydration is also key to gut health. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep things moving smoothly in your digestive system, allowing those good bacteria to do their job effectively. Incorporating these prebiotic-rich foods into your diet can help nourish your gut microbiota, promoting a diverse and balanced ecosystem of beneficial bacteria. By supporting your gut health, you're not only improving digestion but also supporting your overall well-being. So, next time you're planning your meals, remember to include plenty of prebiotic foods for a happier, healthier gut. Thanks for joining me on this journey to better gut health. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Until next time, take care and keep nourishing that gut.